Isulong ang turismo bilang daan sa pagkakaisa.
Never before have people and cultures been drawn together as closely as now. On World Tourism Day, let us all acknowledge and be conscious and respectful of other people's cultures. We look forward to celebrating World Tourism Day with you this year.
Ipagdiwang sa buong mundo ang pambihirang ganda ng kulturang Pilipino. Mabuhay